Today I'm gonna ride my mountain bike to McAllister Park. So I'm gonna go there by bus and then take some footage and now I'm here at the 21630 bus stop. I'm heading downtown to catch another bus, probably the 3, and then connect to another bus at North Star Mall and go to McAllister Park. So I'm on the number 4 bus, which will take me to the North Star Mall, and I'm going to have to transfer to another bus, 648. The number 4 goes only to where I'm going on a business schedule, like peak hours. Now I'm here on Jones Maltz Burger in Blue Crest, and I'm heading north to a street, Money Tree. That's the entrance towards the McAllister Park, which is in this side, on the right hand side, me heading north. Okay. One thing about this park, where things are not like the Friedrichs Park, which is kind of like better maintained probably, or the Eisenhower, they have maps in here. So far, this is the only map that I have seen, and well, okay, I can see the stop sign right over there, and according to my compass, it's supposed to go there. I'm now on Buckhorn Road, and that was some pavilion. Yeah, this thing could be confusing for the first timer. uh, especially when you don't have trail maps to give away. But me, I'm fine. I can figure things out. I kind of like this park. It's big and it's turkey roast. Backhorn Road and turkey roast. I think I'm supposed to go there. This looks like where I first started. I think this is where I first started. Okay. Yeah. So the main problem that I see about this park is that like maps are not well marked. You don't know where you are in the map. It doesn't say that traditional helpful you are here marks, so you're up to your own figuring out where you are, and they don't give away maps. It's up to you or something. All right. Okay, so I've been around parks here, and I've been around parks in almost everywhere, and I hike. This park's not very friendly when it comes to navigation. You're on your own kind of thing. So I'm gonna explore this park when I have a better map and better knowledge of things and hiking, so I don't get lost or anything like that. I don't like, nothing will happen to me when I get lost except for wasting time. That's about it. That's the disadvantage of getting lost. So apparently gas is short. There's not a lot of gas, so people are lining up to there. Yep. So I'm here on Budding and Perennial and Jones Maltzberger intersection. There's a Valero gas station here, and it's being crowded. I don't know why. Gas problem, gas something. They have the unleaded for $2.39, and people are just lining up for it. I don't know, is there a shortage in gas or something? Maybe. So, block away from here, the other gas station is running empty, so there's a big line. This one is already empty, and this is like away from the airport, right there. That's the airport, and people are going straight there. Really get some bare essentials like water, food, start stacking up, because after the gas, that's it. You can't go to places, so you better have things in your reach when things go bad. So that's it. No more gas. So across the street from Exxon, where they ran out of gas, Shell, and apparently they still have gas, but it's lining up and then piling up. So they're gonna run dry soon too. It's just like supply coming in here. Probably Houston, or like the one south is the supply link towards going up north. So that's that. So that's the 8th gas station that is also closing, or closed already. I think they ran out of gas. We got got Chevron here. Chevron and Shell still has gas, and they're lining up. Tomorrow they'll run out.